So as you can see right now, I'm in my Outlook desktop app and I'm going to the calendar section, and here we can't see the theme add-ons or theme icons. Now I'll show you how to easily add theme icons here. So first of all, you have to exit your Outlook app. So just exit your Outlook app completely, and then first of all make sure you have the theme app installed on your computer. So now installed and open the theme app, and now you have to sign into your theme account. Okay, once you successfully logged into your theme account, now just click on this three dot next to your profile and just open settings, and here select general option, and under application you will find this option here, register themes as the chat app for office, requires starting office application. So all you have to need is just check this option and then close this pop-up, and now you have to restart your theme. So just exit your theme, click on this icon, right click on themes, click on quiet, and now you have to restart your themes app. So just relaunch the theme app, and now you have to again log into your theme account. Once done, go ahead and just relaunch your Outlook app, and then again go to calendar section, and now here we can see the new Teams meeting icon is showing now.